Hello. I know it's a do the quiz game, but the quiz game I want to be a secret until I finish it. And I'm really good at 2D coding. Well, not really good, but I can make a simple game with particle effects, reloading, zombies, movement, keys, good graphics and stuff. But and animations too. I'm working on walking animation video. I'm pretty bad at animations, but this time we're adding another dimension. 3, not 2, 3. We're adding more dimensions, baby. Okay, so let's just head to Farming Collector, and I'll have to pause the video when I swap between the coding and stuff, the Visual Studios, because I'm gonna have to open that up, and then I'm gonna have to open this up, and that up, that, because it's just showing my whole computer, or what I'm having open. Let's test it actually. See, it's just gonna show that, so I'm gonna have to change it each time. So let's get to it. Farming Collector scene. So we got this so far. We got nothing. We have nothing. So what do we need in this game? We need a bean. That's all we have, a bean. We're gonna call this the character. We gotta create another one. The object. So let's make it a cube and then and lighting, directional light. Where's the light? It's down here. Let's move it down a little bit. Let's make the range big. Bigger. That's a little too bright anyway. Ow. Camera can't even see. Main camera scene. Let's just get this happening real quick. You kind of see over here what it looks like. And then closer. Looks like a cartoon character kind of. And then this is what the game looks like right now. First of all, we're gonna move this guy on the x-axis. Looks like this. And then the lighting needs to be. This is good, but like fire. And then we can make the intensity much smaller. Like this. Maybe 0.8. 1 is good. That's perfect. Okay, now let's get this guy moving. First, boom, rigid body. And we don't want him to, let's see what happens. Watch, he's just gonna fall over. If we wiggle the beat on. But if we move around, he's gonna look. Well, I'll show an example of that after. Let's create a folder. This can also be a tutorial if you want to make a little farming game, but I'm not gonna make a farming game. It's just gonna be a square that falls. I'm not gonna have spawning squares and stuff yet. There'll be a part 2 to this, hopefully. Because you know me, I'm making a promise I'm not gonna do it. It's a man's word, man. When it comes to videos, I probably won't do that, but I did do this. I can change that. Okay, movement. Okay. As you see, my mouse is a little bit bigger. It's blue. I'll change that in my settings. It used to be much bigger. Okay, so let's open up Visual Studios for you guys quickly. Okay, fixed it. I'm gonna head there too. Well, let's make a movement script for 3D. It's literally gonna be the same as 2D, except I just gotta worry about the axis as well. Actually, I'm gonna quickly check. You guys don't have to see. If you really want to, but check. Okay, moving on x-axis. Like, I don't know if it's rotated or anything, and this is the axis or anything. The camera, the angle, the right way, you know what I mean? Okay. So we can edit it in Unity. I'm gonna make it serialized field float so I can click the speed. Speed equals 10f to show that's a float. Oh, let me make it a float. I know, very confusing. Just kidding, bro. It's not that confusing. Okay. Axis raw. As I see, people do not really like me doing game room videos because I'm being bored. I'm gonna talk more this time. So we're gonna make input dot get axis raw. It's really gonna be the input, and we're gonna edit the axis, and it's gonna be horizontal. And then if our computer's faster, the character's gonna move faster. We're gonna fix that in a sec. Multiply by speed. Multiply. This means speed. This means multiply. This is divide. In Unity, you can actually use the symbol in real life, but I do not prefer it. So it's actually really easy. It's all you have to do to make it so that it doesn't, you know. Okay. Speed x 0 0. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. I bet some of you guys actually know what the order and stuff like this is. I love axes. It's so funny, bro. My opinion. Now let's test it out. First, I'm gonna take you guys there for a second. First, I'm gonna take you guys there. Okay. Boom. Now you guys can see. Boing. Now you guys can see what I'm doing. Now let's put the script on the character. First, let's put in scripts. And then we're gonna open up scripts. Go to character, drag it in. Drag it into that components, or like you can add like different gravity, animation controls and stuff. Caps lock. This is important. Mesh render. I don't really understand that much. But I'm sure mesh. If you drag something here, you can create a different skin. The skin's caps. Mesh is hard to explain. There's a dot here, dot here, dot here, and then if you move dot here, the square, the shape is gonna change. And it's like that's kind of how Infinite Generation, complicating Infinite Generation works. Or you can just make randomly spawning squares for hallways and add a bunch of random stuff for that. But I can't do that because I'm only 11 years old. Okay, so we should just have to do that. Move component. Let's test it. Beep, 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 beep. Now watch this. I can just fly off the edge, but watch this. You can't really see. Okay, never mind. Let's just make this panel a little bit bigger. We're not gonna add any art. We'll do that next time. But that next time's gonna be a while. I gotta get good first. Okay. I'm really good at 2D this. I would probably be done by now. We're gonna make a script that kills the character. Now let's go here. We won't have access to like components and stuff. There's different things you can do to have more access to more specific things, which is very complicated. But I know how to do it. Using Unity Engine dot scene management. This gives us access to some new, turn it off, pause it and stuff. Watch what I'm gonna do with this. First I want access to character so I can do it. First I want access to the character. This is the easiest way to get access, but the worst way. But well, this is kind of turning. This is called a variable actually. And then game object. I haven't messed with game objects. I barely mess with game objects. I know work on animations and movement stuff. So I don't work on resetting the scene that much. But we want to create particle effect, and we want to wait a second so we can actually see the particle effect. Okay. This is not my dream game I'm working on, by the way. I'll make it 3D in the future. My dream game after I make it 2D, which is going to be a couple of years, you know. Okay, game object. Should I just write character? No, you'll see. Of course, but they don't know what the character is. I'll have to drag it in so they know. You don't have to write the name exactly. You just have to. Okay, that's fine. Youth. I did not switch you guys to the thing, did I? Oh, great. First, let me, in this, create an enemy. Square. Cube. Just a cube. I'll make this collider a trigger. I will line up with the character. I'm not wondering. Okay, that should help. But let's just move up a little bit of a lot. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to bring you guys to Visual Studios. Game capture. Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Okay, fine. I'll have to do window capture. Visual Studio Code. Okay. If they automatically have a player tag for you to set it up. I'll show you guys how to do it. It takes a couple clicks. Then destroy character. Oh, we don't just want to destroy the character. And we don't want it to destroy him instantly, remember? So if this happens, invoke this. So we can edit the timer. I don't know what it would do. Delay. Upper flip. Okay, so this is what we're gonna. I'm not explaining. I'm not a teacher, and I'm not the best at game development. Actually, we wanted to destroy right when I have it. Sorry. For this, we want to scene manager dot load scene 0. Up here was what I was talking about, so I can have access to the scene and stuff using the engine and scene management. With the scriptable objects. To change this word to script object, you create an asset menu all behind here and stuff. Really simple, takes one line of code to do the asset menu, file names and stuff like that. That's what I'm doing for my AI game. I haven't showed you guys yet, but I will. I did it in my free time. Okay, now that that happens, we gotta create a particle. It's a really simple particle effect, quick to make, but we're not gonna do anything. You don't know what the play button is and stuff like that, but it's like a button. That's why I'm adding it. It's just to indicate that it's a button. Let's see what happens and we'll fix all the... Okay, 10, 22 is the error. You guys can see what the errors are, but 1022, let me guess, I got particle effect wrong. Is it lowercase p? Particle system. Particle system, let's try that. $4.19. $4.19, what? $4.19. Scene management. What is wrong about this? Scene manage. Oh, man edge. It's man edge, kind of. 1312. What is wrong with other tag? Oh, maybe. Oh! Let's delete this. I'm so stupid. Not stupid. I'm not stupid. This is what I meant. Okay, first of all, let's load over here. That's gonna be an error. Watch. This is. We set a trigger on it, right? If other tag is player, it's just gonna instantly kill the character. We can't write all this down with. Can't invoke if it's gonna be constant. Void on trigger enter 3D collider 3D. Oh. Because other does not exist yet. This can stay. That can stay. Okay. This is a mess. Spaghetti code. Let's make some distance. It's organized. But on trigger for the tag. And let's just Control C and then Control V. What about this? This is much better, right? 1627. Okay. This is. Oh, it's just a glider. I forgot. Come on, work. Okay, that's everything. I'm a close enemy. I just wasted so much time with that. Okay, let's tag this player. This is what you do to tag a player. That's it. You can also create your own tags. We're going to add tag, write it down and stuff. Okay, let's test it out. First, we gotta put this script on the enemy cube. Component, because it's two physicals. First, we gotta create a particle effect. Effects, particle system. Stop. Don't loop. Let's just make it wait a second. Did I actually forget to swap it again? Oh my goodness. What is up with me today? I'm constantly making videos. Tired. Here it is, okay. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Here, effects, and then I click particle system. Particle system, play. It's not gonna loop. That's actually it. We're just gonna make it red. That's it. That's literally all we're gonna do for particles. There's so much you can add. Actually, no, let's add more. Stress. How much more we can do this and make multiple colors and stuff. Okay, this is it. This is all we're gonna do for this thing. Let's look at the game. I don't know. We'll find out. Now let's go to enemy. Let's drag everything in, and then let's see if it works. This is the curve. Look, but we don't want to do the particle system. But we want the particle system to stay with the character. That'll be fine. I'll fix that later. Why are the keys reversed? Why? You know what, guys, we'll fix this next episode. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. You have to. I'm telling you right now, buddy, I can see you.